Once upon a time, in the muddy river of Zongo, lived a young hippo named Harry. He loved to swim, eat juicy watermelons, and nap under the sun. But every night, he heard a strange splash. And every morning, one watermelon was missing. Harry thought. Who's taking them? I'll find out. That night, Harry hid behind a big leaf and waited. Splash! He peeked out, but saw nothing. Just ripples. Then another splash, still no one. Suddenly, a shiny shape popped out wearing Harry's sunglasses. Who's there? Harry called. A tiny voice replied, "It's just me." Out came a small turtle. "Timmy, you are the melon thief?" Harry asked. "I'm sorry," Timmy said. "I needed them for my baby turtles." Harry smiled. "You should have just asked. Let's share." From then on, they had watermelon parties together. And the splash? It became the happiest sound in Zongo.
If you liked the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time.